happy. I'm happy the way it turned out. It's a weird chair. Who cares? Like, I was supposed to toss it, and now I have a throne, and it's fine. Upholstery is great. It's great. I love upholstery. It's just, I can't do all the things, and I have to choose my battles wisely. I have to pick hobbies and things that I want to learn, but upholstery is great. Every single chair that I made, I sold, except for one that I gifted to someone. Every single chair. So this is kind of cheating because I should have used different gun as we talked about, but it's fine. It's fine for this purpose. I'm going to cover this with the piping. You kind of, whenever you do upholstery, you have to cut really close when you trim it. So I trimmed it, and now we're gonna just attach the cording using the gun, using the glue gun. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. It's kind of ridiculous that I'm mixing and matching two different fabrics. I don't know if it was a good choice, but I already went with it. So you can see the cushion is the same. And I didn't do anything to the bottom because I got lazy, and this is just for me, and it's fine. It's gonna be a weird chair. Let me move this out of the way. This is a new fabric that I bought. So many things to share with you guys and girls. I started talking to you and not looking at the camera. So I bought this fabric, and it's inspired by Mitsu at Reflow. I'll put there the link of the video, or just a little screenshot, a little video right here. They do amazing hand stitching work, and it's sashiko, and it's not really my style, but I bought some fabrics that I want to experiment with, and that mustard yellow is really like inspired me. Their video is really, their brand inspired me to buy this mustard yellow. And this is also mustard yellow over there. Anyway, let's attach some cording because girl can talk. I didn't plan on filming right now, but it's 10 p.m. and I had coffee and I'm inspired, and I'm just not gonna stop. Just not gonna stop myself. I'm just gonna cut this really close to the stitch without damaging, and it's gonna look like that. And that's going to be the back, which we're going to glue to the chair. People out there that do things the proper way, that's not who I am. I don't do things all organized. I should really protect the chair right now, but I'm going to try to just use this and place my hot glue gun onto the chair and hope that I'm not gonna spill glue everywhere, and who cares? It's fine. It's my chair. Nothing's gonna happen. Usually when I do cording, I try to hide the part, now it's becoming a tutorial, try to hide the part somewhere right here where no one can really see it. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. So nobody's gonna know. How would they know? Every time I do something like a invisible zipper or whatever, I always say that, which is so silly. Let me grab another glue stick. So I'm adding some glue here, and then I'm attaching it. That's all I'm doing. Even if you get some glue onto a fabric, as long as you let it dry, you can easily remove it once it's dry. But don't try to like scrape it, you know? When it's wet, it's gonna leave a stain. Cute. I think it's gonna be super cute. Hopefully I have enough of piping. I do, thank God I do have it. I measured it. I eyeballed it. I don't measure stuff too exactly because I'm an artiste. It's bad. We're almost there. I just want to show you a trick if any of you are upholstering. And so basically, this is the tricky part where two pieces meet and you want to finish it neatly. This is what I do. I would cut it enough to wrap and sit here to butt each other against each other, but I would cut a little bit more. I'll leave it a little bit more. Then what I do, I pull the piping and I cut it. I pull the piping and I cut it, and now this part is pipeless. So then what you do, you fold it nicely, and I should have done it on the other hand, on the other side as well, and I would cover it like so. Now it's flat, you see? So it's folded, and now I'm going to butt it against this, and it's going to look much nicer than just two raw edges meeting. And that's it. And this is how this piece turned out. It's not perfect. I'm a little bit out of practice, and again, I should have done the same thing on this side, but it's not terrible. You don't really see those things when you buy chairs. Hopefully your eyes don't really go there, but this is how it looks from the far, and it's a weird little chair that I did. I'm so happy I finished it. Oh my gosh. So that is this is how it looked underneath, and I should have upholstered this as well. And I was thinking to add piping right here, and I don't know if I should, if it's gonna be like too much. Maybe I'll add piping because I'm not gonna be touching this. This is, if it was for sale, obviously, but I'm thinking I can attach piping so it's gonna look all kind of put together. But I like it. It's weird. So what I usually, so now it's done. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to actually hand sew the cushion, but that will happen later if it happens, because again, this is just a little studio chair that I had to make cute so I can film here with you guys and I can sit in it. You wanna see how I look in it? So let me sit down and see. I did a boo-boo here, but I'm already pulling it. It's fine. Maybe I'll use a little bit of sandpaper. It's fine. It's fine. It's cute. Oh, and the back is still pink. The back is still pink, but usually I would rip the whole thing, and then yeah, it's a cute little chair. Cute. See, whenever I'm sitting and talking to you, I'm gonna be sitting at a chair, at a little Upholstered by me chair. I like it. It looks very fashion-esque. I don't know. Is it hideous? Every time I make something, I'm like, is it hideous? The stitching somewhere here went a little off. I'm not gonna lie. There's definitely a part where I messed up. You see right here? So I could rip it, maybe, to fix it, but it's fine. I like it. It's comfy. You know how comfy it is? It's so comfy. I can talk to you here. We can have coffee. We can have tea. Sitting in this chair, relaxing. This is actually natural silk velvet. And it's such a bitch to work with. It frays like there's no tomorrow. I don't like it at all. I was thinking to make kimonos out of it. No thanks. You're beautiful. I have a full roll I bought. It was expensive. I think I bought like 40 yards because I got obsessed. But it's a terrible, terrible, terrible fabric to work with. It's very comfy. It's natural, and I made sure I put it like in a way that it's pattable. You can pat it and it's not against the grain. It's actually along the grain. Cute. Finished. We already talked about it, and I was watching reels to waste time. This is the creepiest pillow ever available to human beings. I want to show you this. Some time ago, I was addicted to colored pencils, and I took a class, and I didn't know that apparently they're a thing. I thought they're like crayons and only kids use them, but no, you can do crazy things with colored pencils. The shadow, skip it. It's terrible. I like the shape. It's not perfect, but the shadow is not it. But then I added a little bit of collage, and I like it better this way. Anyway, this is what I'm working on right now. Something's happening. I don't know what's gonna happen, but something's happening with this texture, and this plant needs some love. See, and now I need to vacuum. These are the fabrics that I talked to you about briefly. I like them a lot. My soldering, my rings, like I was supposed to wear them to film, but I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. Recording from the chair. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm happy. I have a little chair now. And let's go sleep. Let's go sleep. Let's go home.